Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy or transfer morph targets from one skeletal mesh to another mesh with any topology, right? So copy by default requires some resemblance between the target and the source, right? So the more the meshes look alike, the better the transfer will be, right? So if we are trying, for example, to copy this spike morph target to queen, which has a kind of the same proportions and they resemble, right? They are pretty much in the same space. Let's check it out. So they are kind of the same, right? And if we try to copy the spike to queen, okay, let's make sure we don't have any smoothing and let's click OK. This is what we got, right? Whatever overlapped got copied, right? Between the two meshes, what is overlapped, then it can be transferred. But what happens when we try to copy this spike morph target to another skeletal mesh that doesn't have the same proportions, right? Like this meta human body. Obviously, they're very different meshes. The hands are not aligned, nothing is aligned, right? So if we try to copy this, let's go to body. Okay. And let's check it out. This is what we got. We got basically nothing, right? So the transfer couldn't be performed because there was no overlapping geometry. What we can do in this case, let's add Mani here. Okay. What we can do is to create a morph target. Let's give it a name. And try to scale our mesh so it fits the Mani that we're trying to get the morph target from, right? So let's try to do that. Maybe like this, right? And let's close. And now we can use this as a guidance, right, for our copy. So let's copy this name here, this 1, 2, 3, 4 test. Let's go back to the Mani mesh and click on copy, select the body. And here we have guide morph target. Let's put that in and let's press OK. Let's check it out. Let's go back to spike and we can see that we already got some of our morph target to this mesh. It's not perfect, but it's there. What we can do to actually get what we want to get the exact morph target, we can use a wrapped morph target that actually overlaps fully with our Mani mesh, right? If we copy the name of this morph target and go back and copy, select the body metahuman and use the wrapped guide as the guide morph target and click OK. And now let's test it out. If we enable spike, we will see that we have exactly what we were looking for, right? Let's move a little bit this to the side. And let's enable it as well. So the position of the spikes is exactly where we wanted, and it's actually what we're trying to achieve, right? Copy the morph target to another mesh with any other uh, topology and shape. We just used a wrapped guide. So we are just using the wrapped guide, morph target, to guide the transfer, basically overlap as much as possible the geometry between the two meshes, and then transfer our actual morph target. And yeah, this is it. This is what I wanted to show you guys, and see you around. Bye.